Uploading images is similar to adding any module. To add one to a slide or area on the page, make sure the subtle blue dotted line is outlining the area you wish to add to. If it is not, just click anywhere on the slide so that it is. Click the blue plus button to access the ePortfolios content library. Once there, scroll down and select the Upload File option. Then either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the image you wish to upload. The file size limit is 1 GB per file, but there's no limit to the amount of content you can have on a portfolio page. The image appears on the portfolio page right where we want it. You can do this or drag and drop an image saved to your computer directly into your slide. So like all modules, your image can be moved and resized however you see fit. By clicking the pencil-shaped Edit button beside our image, we are given the ability to replace the image with a different file. Or we can add more files to it, creating a gallery. To learn more about creating and editing galleries, watch our Creating Galleries tutorial. Okay, so let's say we want our image to be downloadable or act as a clickable link, bringing your viewers to another website. Those style settings can be managed by clicking the gear icon beside the image. In this new window to the left, you can choose whether or not to display the file by toggling the switch beside Display File. You can give other users visiting your site the option to download your image. Below this, you can make the image itself a clickable redirect to another page or even another website. Just turn on the Make Image Clickable switch, type or paste a link URL in the box below, and choose whether or not your redirect should open in a new window. Now if you click your image, the website of choice opens up in another page. Back to our settings window, we have an opacity slider which we can adjust. You can keep your image at 100% if you prefer it to be a solid texture. And below that slider, you can adjust the settings for your image's caption. To add a caption, simply click on the caption's background on your image. It's the transparent gray box. Then, type in the text box. Now back in our settings window, we can choose to have this sit at the top, the middle, or the bottom of the image. Now we can choose the font size, color, text alignment, or marginal padding, and even the background color and opacity. To have no caption appear for any other viewers, simply delete your caption's text.